So yesterday I just got a brand new washer and dryer, finally. I've been living like a pioneer for a long time washing clothes by hand. But anyway, I installed the washer yesterday. It did not go as smoothly as I would have hoped, but I did get it done. So that's one down, one to go. Now the dryer should be much easier because don't really need any tools, just need to hook up a dryer vent and plug it in, and hopefully it's okay. I got this flexible dryer vent, and it comes with these turn clamps, so you don't even need a tool. You just turn it. So anyway, hopefully it's going to be easy now. As you can see, I don't have a proper laundry room. This is just a closet, so the space is very cramped. So the plan is I'm going to attach this to the dryer and then to the wall and push it back and hope that it works. And then I can do some laundry finally. People take for granted, like they complain about doing laundry when meanwhile they have a washer and dryer. Once you have washed clothes by hand, having an actual washer and dryer is such a luxury, I can't even tell you. So I'm actually anxious to do laundry, especially things like sheets and towels, which, let me tell you, very hard to wash by hand. So anyways, here we go. Hopefully it goes well. Okay, it's pretty close quarters back here, but here I am behind the dryer. So it's got this big plug, and there's the vent. So it's got to go from there to here. And here's the big plug in the wall. So it's very tight quarters in here. Not sure what this is getting, but anyway. So I'm going to open up this vent, and this is pretty much all I'm going to have to do is just attach the vent and plug it in and hope that it works. Okay, so it comes with these clamps, and I like that it has a turn thing, so I don't really need a tool. I can just theoretically turn it and make it tighter. So, okay, so it's going to need a clamp for each end. So one end goes onto the dryer and the other end just stretches out. Now, before, the first dryer that I had, and it had a dryer fire, it was very scary. It had a very long, like way too long, about 4 times the size of this. And not like, this is kind of a little bit more sturdy. The other one was very flimsy. Anyway, big long snake, and it was all wound around. Long story short, it was absolutely packed with dryer lint, and I ended up cleaning it out with a leaf blower and cleaning out to outside. But anyways, after all that, the dryer still didn't work. But anyways, live and learn. So this one's shorter and sturdier, and I'm going to just connect from the dryer to the wall. And yeah, I'm nervous. I have anxiety and PTSD, and everything makes me nervous, but this should be fairly simple. So fingers crossed. I'm not sure how to film this because it's so anyway, we'll see. Hopefully you can see this because I can't hold the camera and be doing this. Okay, so here we are at the dryer end. Now, I'm not sure if there's an order you're supposed to use or if it matters, but I'm just going to attach it to the dryer first and then to the wall. Now, both sides look identical, I think, so I don't think it matters which side goes where, hopefully. Oh, anyway, I'm going to put this clamp on. I'll just turn it a bit so it's at least onto this, and then obviously tighten it to go on the thing. So you turn it to the right to tighten it, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So here goes. First of all, I'm going to get this on here. So already we have a problem. This thing that I got, it doesn't fit on there. Like, it's just not going to fit. So what do you do? Like, what the hell? Is it just me? And no, neither side even fits on there. So that sucks. It doesn't even fit. Like, what on earth? It's like parts that are sticking out. I can't even. I honestly can't even with this. Okay, like it's supposed to be easy. Oh, to just attach the vent on, well, the metal thing that's sticking out of the dryer, it's not a perfect circle. Like there's edges sticking out and the thing won't go over it. Like even this one won't go over it. What am I supposed to do? Like, I guess, do I have to squeeze in the metal, like push it in? I don't want to wreck it, but I mean, it already looks wrecked. Like, and this is a brand new dryer. Like, what is going on? So this is what I'm working with. They're not perfect edges. Like, it's kind of bent. Like, what am I supposed to do? I guess I have to somehow squeeze it in that something will fit on it because it has to have a vent on it. But my God, like, can nothing ever be easy? No one talks about this in the other videos. It's always so perfect and so easy. Okay, so I'm so frustrated and discouraged. So I was so frustrated and discouraged, I thought I was going to have to give up because there was just no way to make it fit. So I thought maybe I had the wrong size. So I checked, it was 4 inches. I checked in the manual, it says it needs a 4-inch dryer vent. Well, that's great. Unfortunately, the vent from the dryer and the wall are 4 inches. If you're meeting up something that's 4 inches with something 4 inches, it's not going to fit over it, is it? So anyway, I thought I was going to have to buy something else, but no. I saw a couple of videos. Now, one guy, he cut to make it fit around, and another guy just stretched. So I'm going to try to stretch it out, because this part, like, there's a plastic thing here, which really I'm not in love with there being plastic on here. Maybe I can even take that off. I don't know. But, like this looks like it would stretch a bit. So if I can get it to stretch enough that it can fit over the friggin' thing, I'd rather stretch it than cut it, I think. I mean, I could cut some slits on it and then you slip it on and then you put the clamp and hopefully it's still tight enough. But like, nothing ever goes smoothly. Nothing ever goes the way you expect it to, and it's so discouraging. Like, I can't even tell you. I was so psyched to finally get this done, and I was finally going to do laundry, and then like nothing goes the right way. Anyway, hopefully I can get this to fit on. I don't know. Like, I don't know. That plastic thing is never going to fit. But what if I didn't have that piece of plastic on there? I don't really want plastic on there, actually. So I might just take it off. I don't know. Like, why is plastic even in there? Doesn't seem like a good idea. So I'm taking it out. There. Now will this maybe fit over? Now that it's just this metal thing? And the answer is still no. But maybe I can cut it and fit it around. So I just cut it and tried to squeeze it on there, and with the clamp, I hope that's good enough. Hopefully it's good enough. I don't know. I don't know. I just kind of MacGyvered it to make it fit on there when it didn't really. I mean, I hope that's good enough. So I hope that's good enough. I don't know. Other than that, other than hooking up the vent, I'll have to push the dryer back. So I have to plug it in. I'm scared. I hope it's okay. Like, this has not gone smoothly either, because nothing ever does. But anyways, these scissors out of here. So, yeah, here goes. It's such a big plug. It's a huge plug. It's kind of scary. Okay, so it goes this way. There it is. It's plugged in. Now I just got to push the dryer back. So I hope that's good enough. I mean, I might get some metal tape just to secure it even further, but I don't know. I hope that's good enough. So once again, this did not go smoothly at all, because nothing ever does. But anyways, I've got the vent on there and it's plugged in. Hopefully it works. I won't know till I do some laundry, but here's hoping. Now I just got to push it back into place, which will not be easy. Is it still on there? Hopefully that's okay. I mean, I don't know. I won't know till I try the washer and dryer, but I hope, like, it's not been as easy as I would have hoped. But anyways, as long as it's done, and hopefully I can do some laundry now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goes. My first load in a long time. Okay. Towels and sheets, I think. Okay, here goes. My first load of laundry in the washer in a very long time. Hopefully this goes well. It's quite loud. Okay, it stopped. All right, here we go. True test. Will it be dry? And they're dry! Yay! I have a functioning washer and dryer. So excited I have a washer and dryer again. Got a lot of laundry to catch up on. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.